Beep, beep, vroom, vroom. By Stuart J. Murphy, illustrated by Chris Demarest. Cars are fun, said Kevin, for big kids to play with. I like cars, said Molly. You're too little to play with my cars, said Kevin. Kevin, called Mom, it's your turn to set the table. Mom, grumbled Kevin. He carefully lined up all the cars on his shelf. When I come back, Kevin told Molly, I want to see my cars just the way I left them. Molly waited until Kevin went downstairs. Then, vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Dad heard lots of vrooming, crashing, and beeping. Molly, said Dad, you know you shouldn't play with Kevin's cars unless you ask. Let's put them right back where you found them. Kevin always lines his cars up in a special way. Molly waited until Dad went downstairs. Then, crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. This time Mom heard the crashing, beeping, and vrooming. Oh, Molly, Mom said, you've made a big mess of Kevin's cars. Can you help me put them back the way he lines them up? Molly waited until Mom went downstairs. Then, beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Now, Digger heard the beeping, vrooming, and crashing. Woof, Digger barked. Woof, woof. Digger gave Molly lots of kisses, and he wagged his tail. A little too much. Molly, cried Kevin from the kitchen, you better not be playing with my cars. I'm coming upstairs to see. Uh-oh. Molly put the cars back on the shelf as fast as she could. She could hear Kevin coming closer and closer. Molly took a look at all the cars. They didn't look quite right, so she lined them up again quickly. When Kevin walked in the door, he found his cars just the way he left them. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Maybe someday you'll be old enough to play with cars too, Molly, said Kevin. Surprise, Molly, said Mom. She was standing in the doorway. We're going to wait until your birthday to give you these, but we think you're old enough to have them now. Molly smiled at the shiny new cars. Then, beep, beep, honked the green cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the purple cars. Crash. Yay!